Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I'm fine and I hope you all will be okay too. This video is a review of my all upload videos. These are based on English language learning skills as reading, listening, speaking, writing, and comprehension activities, and these videos have been explained systematically. Basically, the purpose of these videos is to help those teachers who cannot go far from their homes and they are willing to train themselves personally. Secondly, for those mothers who want to teach their children themselves due to reason, any reason, as I could understand, these English teaching, learning related videos are more helpful rather than random English learning videos, especially for the beginners level. As I could see in YouTube community, there is no any type of channel that teaches each and every topic from level 1 to 10. And now after to upload all these videos, I would like to see my viewers' interest so that I could shortlist my audience. If you get any useful point from this video, then keep watching to motivate me and suggesting me what level of content and improvements you want me to create. Please tell me in comment box. I love to read your comments. Take care of your health and studies. Till now, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Like, share, and subscribe my video. Keep me warm. Thank you.